Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Starting off with a quick check of our satellite imagery for today, we see that it remained very cloudy all across the southern parts as a cold front is still moving through the area, along with showers that have been pushing in from the west coast all the way through to the Eastern Cape. Over the central parts, the cloud cover didn't break up today, keeping things very cloudy over the region, as well as allowing for temperatures to remain well below 15 degrees all across the Highveld. It was another very cold day across the area. For tonight, there isn't too much change taking place as the first front starts to move further away. A second front will be approaching from the west, bringing in a possibility for heavy rainfall over some areas in the Western Cape. Showers will continue to spread towards the Eastern Cape, while over the central parts there's still going to be quite a bit of cloud cover, although it is going to be dry across the region. Heading into tomorrow and in the afternoon, partly cloudy weather will be returning to Gauteng. Along with that, it's going to be a warmer day, while a third cold front is going to be making landfall as we head into the afternoon and evening, keeping things very wet over the southern and western parts of the country. More rainfall in the forecast down in the southwest, where we could still have heavy rain taking place tomorrow. And for this reason, there is a warning out for that heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding over some areas in the Western Cape overnight and into tomorrow. So do take care if you're in those areas. For tonight's rainfall probability map, we see widespread showers all across that area, while there's up to a 60% chance into the Karoo regions of the Western and Eastern Cape. Isolated showers reaching Port St. John's as well as East London and some areas in the Northern Cape, but it's going to be a dry evening all across the northern half of South Africa. A quick look at the Windstream animation, and we see how winds are going to be increasing in strength near the west coast of the country as that series of cold fronts will be approaching the area. Strong winds early tomorrow down in the southwest. That's going to spread towards the southern coastline in the afternoon. Strong westerly winds for the Garden Route coastline, and we're also going to see gusty conditions developing all across the southern and western interior on Wednesday. Heading into tomorrow morning's minimum temperatures, and it will be cold overnight for the interior, but not too bad as the moisture continues to keep all areas above freezing. 12 degrees for George, 11 into Port Elizabeth, while Cape Town will drop down to 13 overnight, quite mild over that south coast. Heading into tomorrow, on the other hand, in the afternoon, we're going to see things remaining cold over the southern and western parts of the country. Things improving over the northern interior. 21 for Johannesburg, Mahikeng gets to 24, and we're going to see temperatures rising into the mid to upper 20s for the Lowveld, and in KZN there will be a little bit of a bergwind in the area helping to push those temperatures up. That changes on Thursday for Durban and Richards Bay with a bit of rain in your areas, still quite cloudy and cold in the south, and by Friday partly cloudy weather returns to the Western and Eastern Cape, while we could still have a few drops of rain along the east coast.